It is easy to assume a bigger store should feel easier to run, but sometimes the opposite starts happening. The store gets bigger, but also more overwhelming, harder to manage, harder to optimize, and harder to grow. Hi, I'm Shelley Antone. I've been selling on TPT for over 17 years, and one thing I eventually realized is this. Products do not only impact sales, they also impact how the business functions. Early on, almost any new product can feel helpful. Your store expands, sales improve, your store gets larger, and naturally, that feels like growth. But eventually, something starts changing. The store becomes harder to manage, not because all products strengthen the business equally. Some products support visibility, buyer movement, repeat purchases, and stronger store structure. Others mostly create maintenance, complexity, isolated sales, or disconnected buyers. And over time, those disconnected products quietly make the store harder to run. Because eventually, strong TPT businesses usually rely on products working together strategically, not simply existing separately. This became very obvious inside my own store. For years, growth came heavily through creation. More products, more categories, more expansion. And eventually, I realized some products were contributing far more to long-term growth than others. Some products strengthened the business. Others mostly added more management. That completely changed how I started thinking about product decisions, store structure, and long-term growth. A larger store does not automatically create a stronger business because eventually the structure underneath the products starts mattering more and more. A lot of TPT sellers feel overwhelmed, not because the seller is failing, but because the store grew without enough strategic structure underneath it. If your TPT store feels harder to manage as it grows, use the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder linked below. It will help you identify what is actually limiting growth inside your store so you can make clearer strategic decisions. And in the next video, I'm going to explain why some TPT stores feel easy to shop while others quietly create buyer confusion. I will see you in the next video.